You've seen the videos and heard the stories of a full moon party under the stars on a paradise island in Thailand. It's a bucket list experience, but between the dream and reality, there's a minefield of scams, safety risks, and logistical nightmares. This guide provides the ultimate blueprint for navigating everything. How to get from Bangkok to the islands, exact costs, how to spot scams, and most importantly, how to have an incredible, safe night. Planning is everything. You need to get to the islands, with Koh Phangan being the most famous for moonlight parties, though Koh Tao also hosts them. The quickest way is to fly from Bangkok to Surat Thani or Koh Samui. Flights to Surat Thani cost 1,000 to 2,500 Thai baht, plus a 600 Thai baht bus and ferry to Koh Phangan. Alternatively, flights to Koh Samui range from 2,500 to 4,500 Thai baht, with a 300 Thai baht ferry to Koh Phangan. Booking flights in advance secures the best deals. For budget travelers, the overnight bus and ferry combo is your champion. It's a long journey but saves on accommodation costs, totaling 600 to 1,000 Thai baht. On Koh Phangan, stay in Hat Rin, where the main party is. Booking elsewhere means expensive taxi rides home. Accommodation ranges from 400 to 800 Thai baht for a hostel dorm, 1,000 to 2,500 Thai baht for a guest house, to 3,000 plus Thai baht for a resort. First, wear shoes you can lose. The beach is covered in broken glass and spilled drinks, so 200 baht sandals are better than a hospital bill. Second, use a waterproof pouch for your phone, cash, and hotel key. You will get splashed, and rain is always a possibility. These cost 100 to 200 Thai baht at any 7-Eleven. Third, pre-game at the 7-Eleven. A beer at the party is 150 to 200 Thai baht, but only 50 Thai baht at 7-Eleven. It's a classic traveler tradition. Finally, stick with your squad and set a meeting point. Phone service is terrible with thousands of people, so pick an unmistakable landmark. Now for the don'ts. Don't fall for the bucket scam. Vendors offer cheap buckets with dangerous, counterfeit liquor from unsealed bottles. Always insist on a sealed, branded bottle. A proper bucket with sealed Sangsam whiskey and mixer costs 400 to 600 Thai baht, ensuring you wake up the next day. Don't bring your valuables. Leave your passport, credit cards, and fancy jewelry in the hotel safe. Only bring the cash you need, as pickpockets thrive in crowds. Don't accept drugs or special items from strangers. Thai drug laws are extremely strict, and undercover police are present. The risk is not worth it. Don't get blackout drunk. Stay hydrated with water and eat a big meal beforehand. Your wits are your #1 safety tool in a foreign country. As the sun disappears, the energy transforms. Hat Rin Beach becomes a pulsating, neon-lit carnival stretching for nearly a kilometer. You'll find different music zones: techno, trance, reggae, commercial hits. Explore, but remember our rules. Grab a bucket from a reputable bar, find your friends, and soak it all in. The sun comes up, the music fades, and what's left is peace. This is the perfect time to grab a fruit shake, watch the sunrise, and reflect on an unforgettable night. For around 3,000 Thai baht, or about $85, you can have one of the most epic nights of your life, safely and smartly. So there you have it, your complete guide to conquering a moonlight rave party in Thailand. It's about being prepared, staying safe, and immersing yourself in the magic. If this guide saved you from a scam or helped you plan your trip, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest travel guides. Now, what's your biggest travel party question? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, travel safe and party smarter.